السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. تلاميذنا الأعزاء، تحية طيبة. معكم أستاذ بعيري رامي، أستاذ لغة إنجليزية طور ثانوي من منصة dorouscom. In this video we are going to see some of the most common mistakes made by pupils, and today we are going to focus mainly on writing. As you know, writing can be a very complex topic. It takes a lot of time, a lot of energy to master, and now we are going to see two of the most common mistakes made by students while writing their written expression. Are you ready? So let's get started. Here I have got a topic which was presumably about internet, and here the pupil was asked to define internet. So internet is one of the greatest inventions ever. What do you notice about this sentence? Grammatically speaking, this sentence is perfect and it is right, but here, as you can see, the pupil did not leave any space when it comes to the introduction of his written expression. And this is mistake number one. So whenever you start writing, you should leave indentation. Okay? Indentation is basically the small space that you have to leave in order to start writing. Okay? So this one, internet is one of the greatest inventions ever. This one is wrong. What is right is this. So here I have left some space. Internet is one of the greatest inventions ever. Mistake number one, indentation. Pupils, you should always leave space, then you start writing the written expression. Okay? The second mistake that is usually encountered and done by pupils is this. Internet, it is one of the greatest inventions ever. Internet, again, it is one of the greatest inventions ever. Internet is the subject, and it is basically a repetition of the subject, okay? Something that should not be done. So never ever repeat the subject twice. The subject can only be mentioned once in a sentence. Instead of writing internet, it is one of the greatest inventions ever, I can simply do this. Internet is one of the greatest inventions ever. So I have got the subject, it's automatically followed by the verb. In that case, it's to be. Okay? So mistake number one, indentation. I leave space before I start writing. The second mistake, I don't repeat the subject twice. I simply write subject plus verb. And if there is a definition, for example, in that case, it's subject plus to be. So these are two of the most common mistakes that are usually done by pupils. Hope you have found the video interesting and informative. Of course, if you have any questions, I will be happy and glad to give answers to them. Thank you so much for your attention. Looking forward to see you in another video. Cheers.